In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your own custom cursor on Windows 11. So there's basically two different methods we can use to customize our mouse cursor. So the first method is just by heading over to your start menu and searching for settings. Then click on the settings window and from the left hand side scroll down and select accessibility. Then click on mouse pointer and touch. And here you have some built-in settings in Windows 11 where you can customize your mouse cursor. So you can see I can adjust the size of the mouse cursor by adjusting this slider here. You can also change the style or the color of the cursor by selecting custom. And then from here we can select a color out of the palette, or you can choose to select another color and you'll have this entire selection of colors to choose from. Once you've finished, hit done. And that's the first way that we can customize our mouse. Now, if you want a bit more flexibility or you want to use custom images for your cursor, you can do that as well by heading over to an internet browser. And in the search engine, type in download free cursors and then head over to icons8.com, this top website here. And now you can just scroll through the list until you see a cursor that you like the look of. Once you've selected the cursor that you want to use, just click on it like so. Press download and then set the custom size to 32 by 32 and then scroll down and select download. Now that we've downloaded this file as a PNG, we need to convert it to a cursor file. You can do that by heading over to Google and typing in convert PNG to CUR. Click on this top search result, convert.io.co, and then from here upload your PNG. Once you've uploaded the PNG, click the convert button and then just give that a few seconds to convert your file. Once it's finished converting, hit the download button, and now that we've downloaded this file, it should end up in your downloads folder over here. So what you need to do is head back over to the start menu on your computer, search for control panel and then click on the control panel window. Make sure view by is set to large icons and then select mouse. From the menu at the top, select pointers and then select normal select. Click the browse button and then from here you need to locate the file that we just saved. So I head over to my downloads folder and then we're going to double click on this cursor file here. Once that's been uploaded, you can press apply. And as you can see, that's now changed our mouse cursor to this orange triangle. If you want to swap back to the normal cursor, you can just select the use default button here and then press apply and OK. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.